It's not every day you want to prepare heavily for breakfast. It's not every day you want to have the conventional breakfast. It's also not every day you want to have noodles with chicken, beef, sausage, and all that. It's also not every day you have the whole day to yourself to eat just breakfast and then relax. No. Sometimes you have just a few minutes to fix yourself breakfast so you can move on with other activities for the day. Sometimes you just want to have noodles that is simple and straight to the point. You guys, welcome to today's vlogmas. For today's vlogmas, I'm going to be showing you how I fix myself this simple and straight to the point noodles for breakfast. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this less than 4-minute recipe. Guys, welcome back to vlogmas. Yeah, so today's video is going to be a cook with me video. I'm going to be making a very simple, straight to the point noodles for breakfast. I've already parboiled my noodles, so I'm just gonna start the preparation proper. So guys, let's do this together. First off, I'm going to drizzle my pan with a splash of vegetable oil. I'll then go ahead and throw in the onion. I'll stir the onion until translucent. I'll throw in the runner beans and then my bell peppers, the red and yellow bell peppers. I ran out of green pepper, so this is the only thing, or these are the only things I could lay my hands on like this. So I'll just go ahead and stir them together. I'll add this chicken seasoning. I just don't want to add the noodle seasoning, so I'll go ahead and add a little bit of the chicken seasoning. Stir that in as well. So guys, I hope you are preparing for Christmas. Have you done your shopping? Have you shopped? Have you decorated your house? Please let me know in the comment section below. Just tell me if you have done your Christmas shopping, if you have done your Christmas decoration. It's time to pour in my Titus. I'll go ahead and stir that in as well. So guys, you don't want your veggies to be burnt, so just stir very well. Just keep stirring until you feel it's time to add the noodles. And guys, if you like, you don't add the oil. If you like, you do that. It's strictly up to you. I'm adding it. That's why I just drizzled in a little splash of vegetable oil. Without wasting much time, I'll go ahead and pour in the noodles. So while that's in, I'll just give it a thorough mix so that all the vegetables will be evenly distributed. So at this time, you can just splash in some water to help it steam. And then just cover your pots and allow it steam, and then noodles breakfast is ready. Guys, I'm going to down this with a cup of cappuccino. Guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and give me thumbs up if you like this video.